We were at A&M EDM at the end of last year, 2020, and we're now in March 2021, and I wanted to give you a little bit of an update. So, Mark, where are you with the engine block now?
The engine block's, the particular block that's sitting next to me is actually finished, machined, so it's just awaiting a few more parts for it ready to go out for testing, which is, Gary is really excited and can't wait for the results. I think we all can't, because we've all spent a lot of time on it, and we've lived and breathed it the last 10 months.
Well, after meeting Gary, he's literally a genius with what he's created here. So, but you've also invested in a new machine. Why is that?
Increase our capacity. One of the things doing the engine blocks, if it does take off and we do machine them, it takes up a long time to machine. And it's not just a case of the long runs on a machine, it's the intricate parts of the machining, like the final machining, such as line boring for the crankshaft and line boring for the camshaft as well. Those are the final operations, and it takes time to do. It takes a long time to do. It doesn't take five minutes.
5 minutes, of course not. And why have you gone for the VMX42Ui then?
It's because it's suited to this type of work. As you can see around, we've got various Hurco 5-axis machines.
Yeah, you've got 27 altogether.
But there's different applications for different jobs, and this is ideal for this type of work, and it's a robust machine.
You've got a lot of access in terms of the Z axes, and is that for the line boring? Is that another reason to why you went for this?
Yeah, and also if you, for the viewers, if looking at the size of the block, it fits perfect on the table, and you can access 5 sides on that, so it's ideal.
And I think I know the answer, but is it hitting tolerances? Is it hitting the cycle times that you wish for?
They are very good machines for the money.
Brilliant. And going forward, what are you going to do with the engine block? What are your plans in the coming months and then beyond?
The next few months will be testing. Test the hell out of it so we can see what it can actually produce. All Gary's figures that he's done and what he can do. If it comes to fruition, there'll be a lot of happy people out there, especially the people who drive and race cars, because I think we've got a little gem with this engine.
And I think you'll be a happy man too.
I'll be happy because it keeps Gary off my back.